Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can easily clear cache memory in Windows 11. Now if this video will be helpful guys, what you can do is just write down below in comments that it helped you, so when the other people would come here they will like, damn, okay, it's actually helpful. So what you want to do is, and how you can do it. First thing first, goes to bottom next to the Windows is going to be search button, right click on it, and then what you want to do is write disk cleanup, and then you're gonna have like okay for Windows C or F, press like let's say C, okay, and then we see right here, so you can simply see what you want to actually clear, and then what you want to click on when you're gonna choose like what you want to actually clean up. Temporary files, recycle bin, you clean up system files, so that's what you want to click on, and then you would like click OK to delete everything else. So this is what you want to do. And the second thing what you can do is go to search, command report cmd, and then just simply type config /flush DNS and press enter. And this is how we do it. So these are the two ways how we can clear cache memory in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and definitely write down below in comments if this video helped you. Goodbye.